Hey guys, it's Raiza here, and today's vlog is I'm going to show you how I clean my room. So this time I'm going to clean my bed. I have to fix my bed, to change my bed cover, bed sheet, pillowcase, and everything. So yeah, let's clean with me. So first is I actually clean my room, deep clean actually. My room is every Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Every Wednesday. Why every Wednesday? During work days. Because every Thursday, every Thursday night I cook food because my niece, she always coming over, and Friday it's our day off. So she doesn't have work and I don't have work as well. So on Friday, every Friday, I wash my clothes. So I laundry. That's the time I laundry my clothes. So once a week, I laundry my clothes. And every Wednesday, not every Wednesday, every 10 days. So I change my bed cover, something like that. So I don't stop, So for very quick food, so I did not take time for that. And while cooking, so like let's say if I'm doing a fried something dish like that, so I just keep there, and while it's done cooking, I have to move myself to do something else, so that it won't be more harder for me and very quick. And this is only a small room, so as you can see guys, so my couch is there. Where I put the camera is that my center table and the television is right on that side, and behind of this couch is my bed. So that is, and right there is my kitchen and bathroom. So it's very small. It is studio type for one room. It's like that. One room. So yeah guys, that's one. And then, so here I have all of these pillowcases. So actually guys, I put two. So the main and the second is the white thinner. And I have also protector, plastic. So that's, I didn't get any allergy on my face. And I think last January, I got the allergy, and then it's, become more, what do we call this? A lot more around my face, all over my face. So it's really annoying. And the doctor said that is acne. So I don't believe that is acne. Anyway, they have given me prescriptions for medicine that I have showed you on my Get With Me makeup plus how to cure acne. So exactly, that medicine is very good. And then after I use that medicine, I just use it for 2 weeks instead of 1 month. So my face is already cured, and that acne already cured. So after that, the next thing I did is I use my Better cream on my face. Then I really, it's mind blowing. After 3 days, my face becomes smooth and clean. But the scars is still there, so it takes 1 month to clear all the acne on my face. The scars. But right now I still have a little bit, but it doesn't show much. So yeah, I just think to that doctor. So here we go guys. And now, this is what I did every 10 days. Not really, 1 week. So I have to take out everything, and so I am, deep clean my room every Wednesday. So it's really, very quick. So after having lunch, so I moved to change my bed, to feel comfort. So that on Thursday I am going to cook for our food, my niece and I, and on Friday I am going as well to cook, because we got fresh cook, home cook. So while cooking, laundering my clothes, so that is washing the washing machine, my machine, but it's my mom. So I did not wash my clothes outside. I just pour the water on in that machine and the washing machine everything. What I did is I use this for furniture. This is a polish. So I have a latch. So I just spray all that water. if you use this furniture polish, it won't take you a lot of time to wipe every furniture you have, because if you spray for this polish furniture, the dust quickly gone. So when you wipe it, you don't need to wipe so much. For now, my bed. So, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So, yan po ang aking bed for today. So, kung nagtataka po kayo bakit orange, kasi po ang aking bed cover, bed comforter ay hindi ko po ito binili. Ito po ay only mga sample namin na kapag may mga client kami nag-order, so nanghingi kami ng sample pero binabayaran po yan. Mas expensive po yung sample from China sa mga manufacturer kasi ang mga client namin is may mga trading dito shop sa mga malls na nag-order sila ng mga ganyan. Tsaka ito, blanket, yan, fluffy. So meron po akong dalawang klase niyan. Minsan po napapansin ninyo na bakit lagi ito kasi dalawa po, magkasing kulay lang po siya. Dalawa po yan. Then meron po rin akong mga ibang kulay. Yun nga po, yun naman po ay mga extra na pinadala ng mga supply kasi kapag meron kaming client nag-order ng 5,000 pieces, so different colors, ganyan. So may gray din ako, binigay ko sa pamangkin ko. Then dalawang gray at isang tatlong white, isang gray, dalawang gray, ganun. Bali. So ayan po, pati po yung aking cushion. Yan. So kung ano yung kulay ng aking bedsheet, ng aking comforter, yun din po ang kulay ng aking match with the bed cover and comforter. Pero hindi po yan set. So yan. Gusto ko po kasi yung glamour or yung elegant tignan. So ganun po ako mag-decor. So yung aking, then lalagyan ko po siya dito ng mat. So yun. Pero wala na po akong oras kasi papasok na ako sa mamayang gabi. So yan lang po guys, napaglinis na rin po ng konti. So comment down below kung gusto niyo po mag-order, mag-email lang po kayo sa aking personal email. Nakalink po yun sa aking, or nakalagay din po sa aking video. Kung gusto niyo mag-order nito, blanket and the cushions, different kind of cushions. Pero hindi po kami nagbibigay ng small quantity. So it must be 2,000 and above, 1,000 above, ganun po. So yun lang po guys, bye. So, ayun po guys, hanggang sa muli po. Bye! Don't forget to click subscribe, hit likes, comment down below sa aking video. Only sa patungkol sa ating video po na palabas, wag po tayo mag-comment na remember, sab to hug to hug, what else? Sabi, ganon. So, wag po tayo mag-comment na mga ganon. So, bye! See you on my next video. Shine bright like a diamond.